Oh my gosh, are hackers and bug bounty hunters stealing your session tokens and logging into your Citrix gateway? Because they're logging into mine. Last month, Citrix published an article about a specific vulnerability. Long story short, it's a session token leakage vulnerability that allows to bypass passwords and 2FA authentication. And for what? You guessed it. Session takeovers. So if you craft an HTTP GET request with an HTTP host header large enough, a vulnerable Citrix appliance will return the contents of its system memory. And in this video, we're going to let my all-knowing, all-powerful AI assistant expose a few secrets and explain how hackers and bug bounty researchers just like you can find CVE 2023 49666666. Wait a minute. I don't think I had enough sixes to that. Anyways, in the meantime, I'm gonna go grab a fresh black hoodie from Walmart because hackers can never have too many black hoodies.
First, to begin the hunt for the Citrix NetScaler vulnerability secret letters, created this reconnaissance Python script. The script uses his professional hunter.how API key that allows for up to 50,000 API results per 30 days. The Python script base 64 encodes the query for transmission, as required in the API documentation. It then collects domain names and IP addresses, starting on page 1, and then fetches information page by page. The script processes the JSON response, extracting domain names and IP addresses, and appends them to the respective lists, and it handles paging by continuing to the next page if there is data. If not, it stops. The script also waits for 5 seconds before fetching the next page to avoid overwhelming the API server. The script writes the retrieved data to a backup file continuously and saves the final results to recon target's text file. Secret Letters created this script to be useful for bug bounty hunters and security researchers looking to compile a list of targets for reconnaissance or vulnerability scanning for Citrix NetScaler products. He then scanned the reconnaissance output of over 10,000 host names against specific bug bounty platforms. Secret Letters then used the Citrix Bleed Session Token Leakage Proof of Concept, created by Asset Note over on Packet Storm, and scanned the host names using the Proof of Concept Python script. The Python script sends an oversized HTTP host header in a GET request to a specific URL on the target. This oversized header is meant to exploit a buffer overflow vulnerability if the response status code is 200. Okay. It assumes the potential exploit was successful, dumps the memory content starting from a specific byte offset, and prints it out. If the response code is not 200, it will print an error message indicating that it could not dump the memory.
Yeah, that sounds about right. We didn't even get a chance to expose some secrets and how we can use AI to make custom nuclei templates from bug bounty write-ups and published research articles, because I have some pretty interesting templates. Thanks for watching, guys. If you liked this video, hit the thumbs up, and if you didn't like it, hit the thumbs down, but at least tell me in the comments why it sucked. Check out some extra hacking content, and until the next video, I'll see you out there on the hunt.